Hello and welcome back to another Stonksy video. Today we're going to be looking at the low frequency bot, which has been absolutely nailing the market at the moment. I'm going to be showing you all the recent trades that it's taken, and little spoiler for you, it's hit 14 out of the last 20 trades in profit, so it's been absolutely performing marvelously in the market. Please do make sure you drop a big like on the video if you're looking forward to this. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and of course if you want to come and join us at Stonksy, you do get full bot access on the lifetime, annual or monthly plans. Link is in the description for you. You do get 35% off on the lifetime and annual at the moment at the time of recording, and that is also applied at checkout. So do make sure you join up if you want to get results like this without having to do anything. But let's get into the video and I'll show you the results and show you exactly what has been going on recently with the bot performance. So we recently updated the strategy that the low frequency bot follows, and it has been absolutely brilliant in swapping over to this new strategy and of course improving performance. So we're going to start here on this one, which was from the 15th of this month. So everything that you see from here is from the 15th of August onwards. So we can start off with, now bear in mind the P&L on the USDT side is just what the master trader has made. This isn't including what users have made in this. This is just what the master trader has made for the master trade that we run on the copy trade for obviously opening and closing the trades for users. So this isn't user P&L. This is obviously just what this. So the previous one was that was another 0.83% minus. We then started to uptick it, and this is where it really started to perform great. We had a plus 4.62%. Then we had a plus 1.29%. We had a 1.66% plus 0.23, so a minor gain, but still a gain nonetheless, and plus 0.91. So you can see there, that's 5 trades in a row, all green. And obviously some of that one was small, but basically the 4 of them, obviously this one was just shy of it, but 1% plus, and that was a huge trade there. So absolutely great performance. We'll then go on to the next ones. And this obviously follows on with 2 more gainers. We then had a negative, so obviously that streak came to an end. We then had a 2.64%. This one went against the grain a bit. This was minus 6.24, but you'll see in a moment it picked itself back up and got going again. That was 0.05. We're really trying to work on as well is limiting the downside on this. So it's something that we're paying attention to, and obviously really trying to avoid having losses like this and more ones like this instead. So it's still a work in progress, obviously fine tuning it, but it's been performing great. So as you can see there, I actually think when we go on to the previous page, the one at the top actually shows at the bottom, because I've noticed that the past couple of pages that I've done, so we'll ignore that one. We then have plus 1.19, plus 0.91, plus 2, and as you can see again, we're going on a hot streak, plus 1.68, and then the latest one, absolutely brilliant, of plus 7.85%, catching a great short on Bitcoin from just under 113k down to just under 110. So that is fantastic, and as you can see there, absolutely brilliant performance, and winning 14 out of the last 20 trades. Now granted, you might be sitting there thinking that one trade of minus 6% obviously is a bit of a loss, but as you can see just on the latest one, that made it back, not even accounting the ones that went on a 5-win streak here, but that made it back plus some. So all the other greens that you see are obviously money in the bag, and apart from that one, we've not really had a big negative loss. And like I said, we're really trying to focus on limiting that and making sure that doesn't happen, and obviously getting bigger winners like this as well. But anything above 1% is obviously great for 1% a day, whatever it may be. But yeah, great performance, and obviously high win rate, really high performance, and currently it is on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 win streak. So let's hope that can continue and obviously carry on upping the profit for users that are following on. So if you do want to follow this and obviously get results like this, and again, like I said, you don't have to do anything with this. It's all done by the Stonksy bot. You just set it up and then just let it do its thing. You can manually close them if you want, and then just wait for the next one to open. But yeah, if you don't want to do anything, you can just let this tick over in the background and just let it get to work. So great performance, great results, and we are working on swapping over the high frequency bot to a much better strategy as well. So the low frequency one it's running absolutely perfectly. And then the high frequency one, we're looking at swapping over that strategy as well. So at the time of watching this, we might have done that, and I'll look to do another video on that one soon once that gets going. But the low frequency one is absolutely smashing it at the moment. So yeah, if you want to join, links in the description. Make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.